Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we're making teriyaki chicken wings. So in a bowl with my clean chicken, I'm going to go ahead and season this chicken up with some basic seasonings. I will have all my ingredients listed down below in the description box. Now it's just like garlic powder, a little bit of adobo, cayenne pepper that is optional, and I'm going to mix that up really well. I drizzled a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm going to add that to my air fryer. This recipe is super easy and simple. I love it so much. It's like a quick snack or appetizer, and it doesn't take very long. So I'm going to add them all in. Try not to stuff it. Now I kind of stuffed mine, but just try not to stuff it. So I sprayed my air fryer with a little bit of the butter pan spray, and I'm going to actually spray my chicken as well, and then get ready to air fry. Now I'm setting this on 380. Let's air fry it for about 18 minutes. You can add additional minutes depending on how crispy you like it. Now in between times we're just going to flip it over to the other side, and you can see it's already looking so beautiful. Now, like I said, add a couple minutes if you like. I added about 7 minutes. I want mine really crispy. Look at that. That is just so beautiful, and you don't have to fry it. That's what's awesome about this. Now, to make this simple, I just used some sweet and tangy teriyaki sauce, added some sesame seeds. You can make yours homemade. I have a recipe on that as well. I'm going to shake it and enjoy. If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.